Here are thoughts offered by some of the greatest scientists in history. Carl Sagan, planetary scientist, 1980. Science is a self-correcting process to be accepted. New ideas must survive the most rigorous standards of evidence and security. Carl Sagan's science is not about absolute truth, but a continuous process of improvement. New ideas are only accepted after being thoroughly tested and proven. Next is Lewis Thomas, physician and educator, 1980. Science is founded on uncertainty. Each time we learn something new and surprising. The astonishment comes with the realization that we were wrong before. In truth, whenever we discover a new fact, it involves the elimination of old ones. Lewis Thomas, scientific progress relies on acknowledging what we don't know and revising our understanding as new evidence emerge. New discoveries often disprove that theories. Ernst Mayr, evolutionary biologist, 1982. It is curious how often erroneous theories have had a beneficial effect on particular branches of science. Ernst Mayr, even incorrect theories can sometimes lead to valuable discoveries or advancements in scientific understanding. Next is Claude Lévi-Strauss, anthropologist, 1990. Nor must we forget that in science there are no final truths. Claude Lévi-Strauss. Science is always evolving and there are no absolute unchanging answers. Stephen Jay Gould, paleontologist, 1990. Science is an integral part of culture. It is not foreign thing done by an arcane priesthood. It's one of the glories of the human intellectual tradition. Stephen Jay Gould. Science is a fundamental aspect of human culture and intellectual achievement, accessible to everyone. Halton Arp, astronomer. Of course, if one ignores contradictory observation, one can claim to have an elegant